Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair at home. I know a lot of you guys are freaking out because you can't make it to the salon, so I want to show you how easy it can be to do it yourself and save a lot of money too. So I have been using a Crea clip for years and years. I'm not being paid by them to do this. I'm just telling you what works for me. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube showing how you can do it without a clip. So if you don't want to buy a clip or don't have one, you can look on YouTube and find some other videos on how to cut your hair at home. And there's a lot of Crea clip videos on their website and on YouTube as well to show you how many kinds of different cuts you can get with them. There's so many. So I do it with the round side down, like a smiley face, because that makes it less pointy. If you want it pointier, you do it like an upside down smile. But I like it like this. And you just get it in evenly. And there's a little level on my side that you make sure the bubble stays in the middle so that it's even. And then you just cut. And I cut at an angle so it won't be so blunt. It looks more natural. And the one thing, no matter how you're going to cut your hair at home, the one thing you have to invest in is a good pair of hair scissors. But they're a fraction of the cost of one salon haircut, so definitely worth it. And I've had these for a few years and they work great. Okay, so that's how easy that is. And then, so that's just long layers. And if it gets too thin right down here, sometimes what I do is take all of it in front and use the little straight one. You don't really need it, but you just want to make sure. And cut off the tips if it's too thin. And here's the little level I'm telling you about. You just make sure the bubble's in the middle so you get it straight. And my daughters, a lot of times just like they don't want layers. So I just use this and I do it like their hair is down their back. I just put it on like that and cut it like this. Or if they want a really, really blunt cut, then I use this. And they don't flip their head over because that's what creates the layers. So if you want more layers, so if you want like a lot of face framing layers, you can get this around the face and bring it forward and do the same thing I just did. Or if you want more layers all like just on top, which I think maybe I'll try to do that. I don't know, maybe a little bit. You can just get like a portion and do it again. And you can do this, I would say just do a little at a time, but you can keep doing this several times. Like you can even get more hair depending on how many layers you want in your hair, and then just gradually like first do it all, then do a lot, and then this, and then less, and you have a lot of layers throughout. But the more you do, the length, the thinner this will get. try to get it level. Let's see. Okay. It's hard to tell because my hair is like kind of naturally frizzy curly right now, but so it's kind of hard to tell where the cuts are. And then you can do some bangs. You can do like a side bang with this one. And what you can do is you can angle it like this, but then you can move this so you can still make sure it's level. I've been cutting my own hair for most of my life, but I haven't had my hair cut in a salon in probably about, I don't know, 7 years. But anyway, so then you could have a nice little side bang. So it's really easy, and if you just do a little at a time, it's hard to mess it up. But anyway. So I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks.